Alright, so we're gonna be shooting this mini fridge that don't work. I'm shooting with this 1911 400 FPS. Alright, first shot at the glass. Alright, so I made it through the first layer of glass. It didn't go through it completely though. It also shattered all up here. I'm shooting with the pellet gun next. Alright, now I'm shooting with the 1200 FPS Gamma pellet gun. Hold it. Oh. Went completely through and hit right there. I'm shooting right here. There's nothing between this bullet. This is styrofoam. I'm gonna be shooting it with the 400 FPS 1911. Oh, you really can't see it, but there's little dents everywhere. We shoot with the pellet gun now. Right now with the 1200 FPS pellet gun. I'm trying to shoot it one-handed because I'm the one recording. I hit right there. Like I said, there's just styrofoam inside of that hole. And then it bulged out the side. I'm gonna try to shoot it a bunch more. I shot it 3 times off camera. There's the first shot, second one, and the third one I shot right there. Go ahead and open it up. And it all just bulged out the end. Didn't go through. Whole lot of glass I gotta pick up now.